Hello everyone, Simon here from creativetradingsystem.com, making this video about gold and follow up to my previous videos. I'm following Elliott Wave step by step, and so far it's working fine. So let's get started here and then take a look at what will be the next move. So this is where the game started with this wave 4 ending here, the big wave 4, 1, 2, and then 3, ABC, wave 4, flat correction, and then wave 5 supposed to go to the upside. So this is where we're supposed to go. So this is how we start to go. Then I said we're going to drop here and then go again to the upside. So we did that. We drop here to 1802 and then started to go up. And I made several charts, from here it's going to drop here to 1877 and then go to the upside. And that's exactly what happened. And this is the last chart I made, 2nd July, weekly chart. I'm going to update later, but because it's right here somewhere. So this is the chart that shows from here, we're going to go there, 2074, step by step, little by little, obviously, right? So here what happened is that it started to go up slowly. And then this was one of my trades, right? From 1932 to 1958, started to go to the upside. Then I made this chart, a smaller chart, 40-minute chart, showing that what is really happening inside those weekly candles. You can't see much. And then another thing is that the entry, right? How do you make the entry on a weekly chart? So the smaller time frame is giving us a little bit more detail in terms of Elliott wave that you can see here. This is wave 1, 2, and then we were going for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I had this trade, the one I show you, if from here to here. So after that, I said we're going to drop here for wave 4 and then go to wave 5, and that will be the end of wave 3. So exactly the same thing happened. We came down for wave 4, and then we started to go up and going to the upside again. The second trade, 1960 to 1982. And then I just wanted to take the trade in the direction of the trend or the impulse wave, not the correction. It's dangerous. Although I do take sometimes. All right, so I thought maybe wave 3 is finished and this thing is going to drop in this fashion here, but it went up a little bit more, completing 5 waves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in wave 5 subwaves, completing the wave 3. So I said, now we're going to drop here, here, here in this fashion. What happened? We drop here, and this dropping here, that, this was my trade to the downside. Like I said, that sometimes I take the trade, but most of the time I just bypass corrections and just be on the side of impulse wave. So what happened after this? I made another chart. This is the trade that to the downside. Now, this is the chart I made, compacting the chart because the chart was getting bigger on a 40-minute and the candles. So I made the 60-minute more compact candles so that we can see clearly what the heck is happening according to this chart that I'm actually predicting. So this is wave 1, 2, and then wave 3 consists of wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, perfect count. Then it dropped for wave A. So this is a channel. I said we're going to drop, hit the channel, and then go for wave B in here. So what happened? This is what happened. And then going to the upside, I got in buy order here, right? And then another trade. And then wave B is finished. And then we're supposed to come down for wave C. So what happened? Boom. We came down exactly where I said that it's going to come down for wave C, even a little bit more down. And that's normal, basically. Sideways correction, usually C is a little bit more like below than A. Okay, so flat could be equal, or C goes a little bit more to the downside and then go to the upside. Now, this is the version that I'm looking at according to my chart. Either you look at this one, that this is what happened, 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, A, B, C. That's what happened, but it's not, it's in between right now. This picture, and look at it. This is a sharp zigzag, and then this is a flat sideways. So right now, what had happened here is like in the middle. It's not a complete zigzag, but it's not a complete sideways regular flat correction. C went down a little bit below A, but still, nevertheless, it is a very good 4th wave correction. So if it is 4th wave correction, if I'm right, then wave 5 is supposed to be coming in this direction. according to this chart, right? So this is what I'm going to be waiting for, and let's see what happened. I'm not saying that this is written on a concrete, but yeah, so far as you saw that from here wave 3 ending, and then wave A, and then wave B, and then wave C, everything perfectly went my way as I predicted. So hopefully I will get this one, and I will probably get maybe a couple of trades going to the upside. All right, so I'm going to be using my 20-minute entry system, and you use whatever. If you use my system, you have it my system, you're my subscriber, then use it, trade accordingly. If not, then and if my subscribers, for them, I would say that I will be looking for from 150-minute chart, not time frame, by the way, the brick size 150, to get in early, because once you know that this might happen, you don't want to wait too much. You're gonna get the 200 or 20 brick size entry probably here somewhere. So all these pivots will be gone wasted. So I want to catch move somewhere here. Okay, so if it goes up here, probably I will get, if I will see 150 brick size entry, then I'll get it. I'll take that and then take it to the upside. I'll do it. And probably it's not gonna go in a straight line. It's like go up, then dip, then go up, then dip, then it can have 5 subwaves in it. We have 5. Just like here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this will probably have the same thing on a smaller time frame. I will be on a 40-minute chart, I will be looking for smaller mumbo jumbo, what is happening. So this is the power of Elliott Wave, that you if you learn this, you can predict step by step what will happen next. The same thing, by the way, is happening in yen pairs. Let me show you. This is the gold. Let me show you yen index. I'll show you quickly if I have it here. Where the heck is that? Okay, yeah. So be careful, be ready. I said and I posted on my Telegram that all yen pair gonna be dropping because yen is getting strong, right? So yen's supposed to be coming down here. So what happened? If you look at that, see this chart. So we were here, and I said that okay, on my Telegram I posted that it's gonna drop, and it will take all yen pair to the downside. So I end up having let me show you quickly 3 trades on this yen. And now this is like ABC correction. If it is finished, when it's going to be finished, where it's going to be finished is the question, but I got my bread and butter out of that. So let me quickly show you. EJ, I posted that EJ is making a short on the Telegram, so that EJ is 200 pips. That's my entry. This was an entry. This was an entry. This was an entry. This is a system that gives you beautiful entries. And then GJ 310 pip. It because of yen index dropping. Beautiful entry right there, right there, right there, right there. All of these entries then taking to the downside. And then I had USD yen 75 pip, because USD is also getting strong. If yen got stronger, but USD also getting strong yesterday after the red news this morning. So it didn't drop much, right? So that's what I'm talking about. That yen index, by the way, right? Yen index, be aware that it might be finishing wave 4, and then I'm gonna make the wave count, but the way I look at it, this was a drop, and then this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave A or 1, and then A, B, C wave 2, shallow wave 2, and then this big wave 3. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is wave 3, and this could be wave 4 ABC correction, just like gold just did that, right? And after that, if this thing start to go up, to go more higher, let's say higher than that, then what will happen? All yen pair will turn to the upside and run and fly. So I'll be ready for that as well. But gold is the one that I will I'll be watching, and let's see. All right, so this is it for now. And by the way, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, so that you can get my videos quickly as soon as I upload them, right? And if you like the system, you want to learn, you can go on my website and get more information there. Okay, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the week. What can I say, right? Maybe one more day. All right. So bye for now. Stop recording.